Alright, Michael with EXO, doing our video of our auction win. I got carried away, forgot to do the video, but already started working on it. So we have this 1991 Eagle Talon TSI. So that is the turbo all-wheel drive model. So picked it up from the auction, said that it ran and drove, so it had the key. So got it jump started and was able to drive it back to the shop, so saved a towing bill. It's got 169,000 miles on there. So already started cleaning out the interior somewhat, started messing with the shifter because it was kind of giving us a problem going into gear. But we were able to drive it back to the shop, like I mentioned, and noticed it did not have any boost pressure. So we found that the exhaust manifold actually had cracks in it. So we already went ahead and put some N-force on there in order to break the bolts loose, and we already got started on that project. So luckily there was a new manifold in the car upon purchase with a gasket set, so that's always a score. So we are going to get that swapped out. Then we'll see if it builds boost and then mess with the transmission a little bit more while driving it. And of course we're going to drain out all the fluids. So it did come with a front bumper. I know it's missing right now, but we do have that as well. So post comments in the comment section, ask any questions that you might have, and I'd be more than happy to answer it the best that we can.